Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best transmission flush is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked maintenance tasks for your vehicle. This service ensures the smooth operation of your transmission system by removing old, contaminated fluid and replacing it with fresh fluid, protecting your vehicle's transmission from premature wear and tear, ultimately saving you money on costly repairs in the long run. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about transmission flushes, helping you make informed decisions about maintaining your vehicle. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10009 Transmission Fix. It's the #1 solution for transmission problems. This additive is easy to use and helps keep your transmission running smoothly. Unlike other products, it contains no harsh solvents that could damage your transmission. It's safe for use in all automatic transmissions. You can add it directly to your existing transmission fluid without having to drain anything. Simply pour it in and you're ready to go. It's proven effective in a vast majority of cases. It will help restore your transmission to peak performance. It provides extra protection to your planetary gears, extending the life of your transmission. This means less frequent and costly repairs. It can extend the life of your transmission fluid by up to 4 times. That means fewer fluid changes and more savings for you. It's perfect for protecting the transmissions in your motorhome or commercial vehicle. It's tough enough for the toughest jobs. What we like. It's the top choice for extending transmission fluid life. You don't need to drain your existing fluid to use it, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a simple solution to prolong the life of your transmission fluid and protect your gears, this is the one for you. What people say. Fixed slipping in 3 gears within 15 minutes of application. My 2004 Honda Odyssey Trans started whining and slipping through all gears. After first 2 drains, I thought I totally screwed up trans. Slipped and whined to point I was ready to sell with bad trans cheap. Added this treatment after 3rd drain and after driving 25 miles, the trans started shifting through all gears. It made a big difference to the shifting. The transmission started to work better right away, but it does say to give it a couple hundred miles to work fully. The more I drive it the better it gets. Number 4. XADO EX120 ATF Additive. This is XADO EX120, the ultimate solution for transmission problems. It revitalizes your automatic transmission, restoring it to peak performance. It effectively reduces sticking, shuddering, and slipping in your gearbox. Say goodbye to those annoying transmission problems. It rebuilds and restores metal parts within your transmission, protecting them from future wear and tear. This extends the life of your transmission. It acts as an anti-friction modifier, eliminating surface defects and protecting against extreme heat. This ensures smooth and efficient operation. Experience quieter and smoother rides with reduced noise and vibration. It's the ultimate stop-slip additive for a more comfortable driving experience. It increases performance and reliability, prolonging the service life of your transmission's control gears. Get more life out of your transmission. It's universally compatible with automatic, CVT, Tiptronic, manumatic, and semi-automatic transmissions. It works across a wide range of vehicles. What we like. This product is perfect for restoring your transmission's performance. It rebuilds and protects metal parts, reducing shudder and noise. If you're experiencing shuddering or slipping, and want a universal solution for various transmission types, this is ideal for you. What people say. I put this product into 2006 Civic Hybrid with 180k miles on it and it just fixed the ruddle and sluggish transmission. It has been 3 months and it is working just fine. My transmission was slipping and hard shifting after I put this in. I swear all that went away and it's now like a brand new transmission. I used this product and the reverse slipping was instantly fixed. Poured another syringe of this. Despite spilling some on the car body, this product still helped reduce the noise when shifting gears. The effect was somewhat instant. Number 3. Lubegard 19001 Kooler Kleen. This transmission cooler flush is designed to thoroughly clean your transmission without leaving behind harmful residues. It's tough on contaminants but gentle on your system. It effectively removes grease, dirt, sludge, grime, and even metal shavings, leaving your transmission cleaner than ever before. Unlike other products, it won't harm seals or degrade your new automatic transmission fluid, ensuring long-lasting performance. This product is repackaged for automakers, so you know it meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Please note that this item cannot be returned and has additional shipping restrictions. Check our website for details. Experience the difference a clean transmission makes. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride with Lubegard Kooler Kleen. What we like. It's the ultimate cleaning solution for your transmission. It thoroughly removes dirt and debris without leaving harmful residue behind. If you need a safe and effective way to clean your transmission without damaging seals, this is the best option. What people say. Product works as described and would recommend to use. Bought 3 cans thinking it would take a lot to flush cooler and lines. Only needed 1 can. It works. Cleans out all the old trans fluid. I think the blast of very dark, sludge-like material that I saw coming out through the clear tubing is proof that this product did dislodge and flush out accumulated material. I feel confident in saying that all that sludge-like material can't help the function of the cooler. Number 2. Smilyeez BG Transmission Flush Kit K6600. This kit will help maintain your transmission's performance. It's designed to prolong fluid life and extend the life of your transmission. It helps keep your transmission running smoothly and efficiently. This ensures optimal performance for years to come. By preventing thermal breakdown and improving oxidation stability, it significantly extends the lifespan of your transmission. It protects your transmission fluid from the damaging effects of heat. This prevents costly repairs down the line. It enhances the resistance of your transmission fluid to oxidation, keeping it performing at its best. This ensures a longer-lasting, more reliable transmission. The kit includes PM106 cleaner and PN310 conditioner, along with a handy pocket screwdriver. Everything you need for a complete flush. What we like. This kit is designed for comprehensive transmission maintenance. It prolongs fluid life and maintains optimal transmission performance. If you prioritize preventative maintenance and want to extend the lifespan of your transmission, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This line of products never fails to deliver. This product I've used for over 30 years as a technician. Stuff works great. Always go with BG products where applicable. Number 1. Lubegard 95001 Transmission Flush. This transmission flush safely removes harmful varnish deposits and prepares your transmission for optimal performance with new fluid. It's easy to use and gets the job done right. Whether you have an automatic or manual transmission, it's safe to use. It's designed to work effectively in all types of vehicles. It contains rust and corrosion inhibitors to help extend the life of your transmission. This ensures long-lasting protection against damage. Unlike other products, this transmission flush does not contain any harmful solvents. It's a safe and effective way to clean your transmission. Simply follow the instructions for a thorough and effective transmission flush. It's a simple process that ensures optimal results. It's the smart choice for keeping your transmission running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Trust Lubegard for superior protection. What we like. It's the perfect preparation for a transmission fluid change. It safely removes varnish deposits and prepares your transmission for new fluid. If you're planning a fluid change and want to ensure a clean and safe process for both automatic and manual transmissions, this is the product for you. What people say. Took it for a long drive. Stopped at a Walmart to get some stuff and started back home. All of a sudden I noticed that the transmission light was not flashing anymore. And when I started accelerating, the transmission would respond very good. On the way there, the rattling at 40 miles per hour magically disappeared and the shifts instantly became smoother. Now after the flush, the whine is barely noticeable. I ran around town with the product in the transmission for about an hour. I drained the fluid and it was black like oil. I replaced the fluid and the transmission grabs and shifts much better than it did before the treatment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.